see this video right before getting it all. And I don't mean in 6 months, and I don't mean just one manifestation. I mean right after this video. I mean within 3 days. I mean all of your manifestations that you have been desiring. You did not see this video on your YouTube recommended by accident. You didn't click on this video by accident. You're watching this right now because you're literally on the edge of everything that you have been asking for. This is the final sign, the last nudge before your life flips upside down and everything turns in your favor. Think about it. All of the inner work, all of the affirmations, all the times you doubted yourself, all of the times that you kept going anyway. It's been building up to this moment. The 3D is always delayed, always lags. But if you clicked on this video, that means that the lag is over. The shift is landing. Before we get into the rampage, hi everyone. I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. And today we're going to be talking about the fact that your life is never going to be the same again in the best way possible, and how you can prepare for it right now, because at the end of this video and within 3 days, and when I say 3 days is max, you will get everything that you have asked for. You are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption and manifestation. So if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. You are more than welcome to enroll in any of my courses: the Manifest Your SP course, the Game of Alignment course, the Perfect Self-Concept course, and Subliminal Secrets. I am also offering one-on-one coaching where you tell me your wants, needs, situations, and I come back with a manifesting routine. And then you can also ask me any questions that you have. Also, I do offer collective coaching where you ask me any question and I reply in a video format. And this is within a tight-knit community that is also obsessed with law of assumption. And also I offer customized subliminals. All the services that I offer is on Kaminski.com, so you can check it out there. And with that, I know that this video will literally make you a master manifestor. It will literally get you all of your desires as soon as this video is over. And this is the best YouTube video that you've ever watched in your life. All right, with that, let's get into it. Your manifestations are closer than you think, closer than your next breath. It's in the air. Do you feel it? All of the crazy shit that has been coming up on the news is not a coincidence. This world is changing at a rapid pace, and so is your life for the better. We are getting ready for a new world. So, with that being said, you are also getting ready for the life that you were meant to live finally. This is a wink from the universe, the confirmation that you've been waiting for. You may feel that right before it gets good, things are feeling chaotic, a mess, heavy, doubtful. That's your subconscious mind getting ready for the good. That is the flip happening. I'm not saying that in every single case and situation, bad things must happen in order for you to experience good, but this is the shift that we are all feeling as a collective. The bad that you have been experiencing, we are transmuting it and we are becoming stronger from it. That weird energy that you have been feeling is transmuting into living your best life. How do I know? Because every time something crazy has been happening in my life, it was preparing me for the best thing. Trust me, I have had 1 or 2 scandals, and the shit that helped me were those weird energy moments before everything built up in my favor. This is not necessary, and this has not happened every single time in my life. But I'm telling you that right now, if you are experiencing bad, weird, heavy energy, it's because you are ready to shift, and you will shift after this video. You do not need to do more, fix more, or hustle more. You do not need to research or ask any more questions. It's already done. It's already set in motion. You have crossed the finish line. Find peace in that. When you complete a subject in school and you finish your last ever final exam for the subject, you do not need the textbooks for that subject anymore, because you've already graduated let's say, from that subject. You've completed it. This is going to be the same thing for watching manifestation content or listening to subliminals. You will no longer need it because you will be living your absolute best life. You will be in the reality that you have been crying yourself to sleep for every single night. Like me, I used to just think about New York with such want. When is this gonna finally happen for me? When is my life going to begin? And then it just happened. That's going to be you. You will no longer need to feel desperate or yearn for this thing because you will be fully living it. This is why you will never need to see this video ever again. By the time you'll think to look for it, you'll already be the version of yourself who has everything that you want. Maybe you won't remember my name and you won't be able to find this video again. Maybe you'll go on my channel and it's as if it never existed. That simply means you've shifted into a reality where you are living your absolute best life and you do not need this video. It may mean you very well have found this video, but when you look at it again, it just doesn't hit as hard. That may mean that you have shifted into your highest timeline where you are living your absolute best fucking life. So this doesn't even resonate anymore. So here it is. It's the last time you'll ever hear this message. It's already yours. It's already done. You may get pissed off hearing this message after watching this video, because how many times can someone tell you you're a girl before you just get insane and tell them to shut the fuck up already, because I know I'm a girl. This is the moment everything changes for you. When you wake up the next morning, nothing will feel the same. Welcome to your new reality. And with that, I know that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. I trust that you subscribe, like, comment, and share this video because you loved it so much and this is the best YouTube video that you've ever watched. I hope you have an amazing day and maybe I won't see you next time. Bye everyone. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Shawty fuck on me 'cause she don't pop up. Popular, born to be popular. She ain't that 20 mil, she run it up. She can never